Hey guys, F-Train here. I'm gonna make this short tutorial video on how to use Zoom to make your presentation video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to load up Zoom on your computer or your phone or whatever, and then I'm gonna start a new meeting, and I'm going to invite my friend F-Train. This guy, I don't know if you've ever met him, but he's a good friend of mine. His name's F-Train. So I'm going to invite him to a meeting, okay? And so as I invite him to the meeting, I'm going to the way I'm going to do that is I send him an email. All right, I send it to his email account, and then I'm going to send that email, and then my friend F-Train is going to look on his phone, and he is going to get an email soon, hopefully very soon. And it says, please join a video, okay? And it's going to ask him if he wants to open that up in Zoom, and hopefully he'll say yes, because that is a good idea. All right, and so now he is also on the video. So we got, all right, on the meeting. Now, for some reason, it jumped me off of Zoom on my computer, so I'm going to go back to Zoom, and so there you go. So now we got three screens. We've got F-Train, we've got F-Train's friend, F-Train, and we've got F-Train and F-Train's friend, F-Train. All right, so we got four F-Trains. I know it's a little confusing, but all right, so now what we're going to do is so F-Train number one, that's me, is going to be in control of this. And so what he's going to do is he's going to go on to his thing here, and actually what he's going to do first is he's going to share, he's going back to Zoom, he's going to share his screen, okay? And so he already has his presentation all sort of set up. And then actually, let me just do this real quick. I'm going to put it on present mode, right? So he's going to have his presentation. And so F-Train number one is kind of in control of this, right? He's going to be advancing the slides. Now, F-Train number two, when his slide that he prepared or whatever comes up, he can do the talking, and you'll see F-Train number two. Now, that's one way to do it. Probably the easier way to do it, the less confusing way to do it. If you really want to get fancy, though, you can pause. Oh, actually, what I wanted to do is I also wanted to record this video. So I'm going to show you how to record. Usually what you got to do is, let me just stop sharing for a second. I'm going to record, all right? And so then when but then I'm going to pause for a second. As I'm sharing my screen, I can actually resume recording. So now I'm recording this whole presentation on Zoom, okay? So I'm going to do resume recording. So I'm recording now, and I'm presenting, and you can see that F-Train number two is seeing it on his screen, is seeing my slides on his screen. Now, but if I wanted to, what I could also do is I'm going to pause recording for a second, and then I can get I can stop sharing, okay? I'm going to stop sharing. And then F-Train number two could share his screen, okay? And so then he's kind of going to be in charge. But you want to pause first so you don't see all that transition in your production, all right? So you pause, and then when F-Train number two is sharing his screen with F-Train number one, then you can do that. I'm not going to do that just because it'll take time. But anyway, and then I can do that. And then let's say I want to share my screen again. I would go back and share my screen again, and you can see he sees my screen. So anyway, after a while, oh, and by the way, let's say I wanted to also put a video in this, okay? Let's say I wanted to add a video to my content here, or to my presentation. I'm gonna already stop recording for a second. All right, let me do that again. Let's say now I wanted to add a video to my presentation. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do pause recording, and then I'm going to, remember it's not recording now because I paused it, and I'm going to go over to YouTube and I'm going to find a video that I want to make part of my presentation. All right, so let's YouTube, let's look at Andrew Cuomo's, no, he's not on yet. So let's look at what Mayor Bill said. There's our boy Neil deGrasse Tyson. And now I'm going to, you're not going to hear this because otherwise you're going to hear feedback, and I don't want to hear feedback, but I'm showing the video now. All right, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to Zoom now. Am I? I have to not full screen it. So I'm going to go to Zoom. All right, and then I'm going to resume my recording. I'm going to share my screen, and then I'm going to put on that video that I was about to put on. And all right, so now I'm going to show my video, Mayor Bill, and he's talking. I'll turn up his voice real quick just so you can hear.
The player on the field who makes a difference, who does the extraordinary, who does what people thought couldn't be done.
All right, so anyway, that's your mayor. So anyway, so then I'm done showing that video, and then I want to go back to, I should have first paused my recording. I'm going to go back and share my other screen, which was my presentation. All right, yada, yada. And then I finish up my video. And then when I'm done, I'm going to just do stop recording. And now I don't really need FTrain anymore. So I'm going to do end meeting. And it's going to end meeting for all. And you can see it's going to knock off he's going to say leave meeting. Yes. Okay. And now it's converting that video that I recorded. It's converting it into a Zoom file, okay? And then all I have to do is I have to just go over to YouTube, all right? And now I'm gonna do create video. I'm gonna say upload video, and I'm going to choose my Zoom video. I think it's in Documents, Zoom. All right, and I'm going to choose my Zoom video, and then I'm going to upload that. All right, I'm going to name it whatever. I'm going to upload it, yada yada. I'm not going to go through all those processes, but then you're going to end up having your video in my channel videos. You'll see it'll pop up onto that last the top thing there. There'll be a new video there. And then you're ready to send that to me, and I'll have you guys posting that on Google Classrooms, and that way you will all be able to watch these videos. And I'm going to also have you guys incorporate questions along with your video for you guys for the rest of the class to answer review questions. To review, well, if you're in my physics class, you'll be reviewing for the AP exam. And if you're in my engineering class, you'll just have questions to answer, just to make sure that you understood the particular branch of engineering that you were learning about. All right, so that's all we got, and hopefully you guys have a great day, good week, and let me know if you have any questions. And I'll try to get back to you ASAP. All right, have a good one.